Yo, still waiting on my first order. What is this? Nope. Still waiting on the first order, as I was saying. So far, every single order that's come into my phone, which has been maybe like 10 by now, has been less than $1 per mile. They've been more like 6 for 12, 9 for 20, stuff like that. So, not looking so hot. Okay, here we go. This order is not amazing, but it's the first one that's been at least $1 per mile. This is McDonald's, $8 going 6 miles. I'm about to pull up to the restaurant, and I just now looked at the order. I've got a bad feeling about this. It is one single Oreo McFlurry. Bro, it's like 6 in the morning. What are the odds that their ice cream or whatever they use machine is up and running?
Good morning. What can we get started for you? I need you to stop at the first window for me real quick.
Okay. That doesn't sound promising.
I need you to send her a message and tell her that we don't have ice cream right now.
Okay, that's what I thought. Never mind. Thank you.
Because the machine is still in heat mode.
I know. I figured. Thank you.
Thank you.
I drove all this way for no reason. I'm gonna lose it.
Hi, this is Marissa, a virtual agent from DoorDash support. This call is recorded for training and quality purposes. How can I help you today?
Speak to agent.
I can help you out. Can you tell me what you need help with so I can get you to the right person if needed?
I need to speak with a real person.
I want to make sure you get the right help. Can you tell me what issue you're having with your order? That way, I can either help you directly or connect you to the right person.
Order cannot be fulfilled.
Thanks for letting me know. Can you tell me why the order can't be fulfilled? For example, is the store closed, items are out of stock, or something else?
Item out of stock.
Since this is a shop and deliver order,
It's not.
ask a store employee
It's
for
not.
finding the item.
It's not.
Got it. So this is a regular order. Can you reach out to the customer and ask if they'd like a substitute for the out-of-stock item?
Customer is unresponsive.
If the customer isn't responding, please mark the item as unavailable in your app. Let me know once you've done that.
Cannot mark item unavailable.
Are you having trouble with the app button not working?
Holy
Or what's happening when you try to mark the item? I know this can be frustrating. Can you tell me what happens when you try to mark the item unavailable?
Speak to real person.
I'll connect you to someone who can help further with this issue. Please hold on a moment.
Trying to get at least half pay out of this. First of all, why are you ordering a McFlurry at like 6 in the morning? Second of all, everything is so annoying. Third of all, I got the next order as they canceled that one. I did get paid $4, I just saw. But I got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please come in.
Like, they were just standing there. I saw them as I was pulling on the door, and they didn't unlock it. Like, do you want your stuff or not? We're like 2 orders in, and I'm ready to go home, by the way. Okay, decided to switch over to Earn by Time. Hopefully that's any better. I mean, it can't get much worse, right? Right? Anyways, current rate is $17 an hour, and got the first order. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts. I think it said it was going 4.5 miles.
Nice, thank you.
Hand to customer in all caps. All it says is cash tip. So safe to say this is gonna be a no tip. Gotcha. Cash tip, by the way. Knocked on the door, rang the doorbell, no response. That's gonna be $4 for that one. This is the DoorDash experience, by the way. What is this? McDonald's, $10 going 6 miles. Yeah, let's do it. for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Got this one right away. This is Voodoo Donut going 6 miles. Yep, there you are. Have a good day. Total for that order was $13. They actually tipped pretty well. Best order I'm getting today. I'm calling it now. Thank you very much. Next up is a McDonald's going 4 miles. That's a no tip. $4. Very nice. Got this right away. This is a stack. 2 restaurants, 2 customers. We've got Victor Rico's and IHOP. Oh, I didn't know it was IHOP when I accepted it. I guess we'll do it. This is $18 going 9 miles. Got this as I was pulling out of there. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 6 miles. Morning. So they just want to add a tall dark roast drip. Thank you. Basically, they wanted me to add another drink and have me pay for it. Well, they Venmo'd me the money for it, so.
Hello, thank you.
Yep, no problem. I needed a number from you as well.
Yes. The other drink was just added to this one?
Yeah, it should be in the lighter bag, I think.
Oh, okay.
The one that doesn't have your name on it.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank
Yep.
you.
Okay, so that was delivered to an emergency entrance at a hospital. So luckily I didn't block any ambulances. And I got the next orders right away. I got one of them, and then I got another one a few seconds later. Got a stacked Seize the Bagel. I think the first one was $7 going 3 miles. And the add-on was, I think the same actually. $7 going an extra 3 miles. Excuse me. Didn't want to hit you. I've got like no signal on my phone, so I was kind of lost for a second there.
Oh yeah, I hate when that happens. I get up and pass Battleground.
Yeah.
And I get freaked out and you gotta use the Google Maps.
It's so bad. Have a good day. Got the next order lined up right after this. I think it might be going to the same customer. If not, it's going like one street over. But it is a Subway, $9 going 4 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I like your nails.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and on that note, I am officially over it. It's still pretty early, but I just cannot be asked to do any more. Current time is 8:55. Current total, I have no clue. I'm not even gonna look at the apps anymore. I shut them down for the day. Total is gonna be right there. No, right there. Right there? Somewhere around here. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.